Alright, what's going on, guys? So, today, it's not going to be a video of me doing something to my car. It's going to be a video of the meet that I was at a few weeks ago. It's the Audi Exchange meet. They have it like yearly. Basically, I was supposed to have the transmission. I'm just going to hold you guys right here. Yeah, so I was supposed to have the transmission fluid service done. I was gonna do it myself, but it didn't go to plan because I do not have the, what do you call it? The special fill tool. I was going to do it through the filter where you screw on the filter from the top. That was weird. But it wasn't like, I read online that it wasn't going to give me an exact measurement for a transmission. For transmissions, you need an exact amount of fluid, and I did not want to take a risk where I was going to have too little or too much of it. So so I decided to get the special like fill like tube fill, whatever, like a special fill tool. I'll post a picture like right here of it. And put you guys down. I'm stopped right now. Let me turn this off. So basically I ordered that. It was supposed to come in today. I was gonna do it today, but it didn't come in, so it got moved to tomorrow. So I'm gonna do it this weekend. I'm gonna do the service this weekend. I'm gonna make a video about it and post it next week. So this week you're gonna get a quick video of the meet. I hope you guys enjoy these few clips of my car at the show. But I hope you guys enjoy these clips of the car, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next next upcoming video. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
We got the first one. It's the favorite wheels competition. Favorite wheels. Number 69. Who's number 69? Number 69. There you go. Favorite wheels, come on up.
never chase a bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on. Mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet. Chase a bitch, never chase a bitch.